What's this park called?
It's called Pure Marquette.
Oh, Pure Marquette. Oh. Here we are again, folks. Right,
It's
right.
Lake Michigan.
There you are, Lake Michigan, and look at all the sand. I mean, you'd swear you were in Hawaii. You know, doesn't this look like Waikiki?
Step outside.
Waikiki.
Minus the palms.
Yeah,
But
except
that
in the
is
winter. In the winter, it doesn't look like Waikiki.
It looks like icebergs.
But gee,
Look at all
whiz,
the fishermen out there.
hordes of them.
Steelhead.
Is that what they're going for?
Yeah,
And they're
steelhead.
standing out there, and they're standing out there, and they're throwing their rods in. What? No, what? There's guys on a board.
Oh, they're on board surfing.
Yeah, the board surfing. Yeah.
Because there's a little bit of surf coming in there. Yeah.
And now they get the windstorms out here, and all this sand gets in their front yard.
Every spring
They
they
don't
have.
have
Yeah?
here.
Every spring they have payloaders in here cleaning up this road.
Really?
They keep it open all winter, but it's one lane.
Yeah.
Jeez.
The sand.
So it's all alive.
It's
Yeah.
the sand that's the
What up with
problem
that?
here. So
Yeah. Great Drake Elliott Park.
it used to be called.
And what's this wall here? This.
That's the channel that goes between Muskegon Lake and Lake Michigan.
Okay. All right. So that if you go through, does the it goes through here? The ferry goes through here
The
then.
ferry goes through here.
Ah, I gotcha. So this is the entrance into Muskegon Harbor here. Well, we got to stop here, obviously. Yes, we have to. The USS Silver Side Submarine Museum. Okay, we're standing beside the Silver Side. Okay. Now, I'm just going to leave this out here. This is in Muskegon Harbor, or the channel that goes into the harbor. And you can just pause this if you want to read the whole thing. But right beside me, right here, look at this. There is the bridge from the sub. Sub number 236. That's it. And you can go on board this. I think you gotta be pretty small though, inhale, etc. Okay, before I show you the next one, which actually belongs to the Coast Guard, I thought I'd just finish this off here to show you the length of this submarine. That was used during the Second World War. The silver sides? I thought it was a silver fish, but I guess not. Let's get another shot of this. There you go. And as well, we have one of these, a rescue chamber. And you can do the same with this. Read that, just pause it. And that's a submarine rescue chamber. I'll just move back. We'll have a look inside. Thought we had a hatch we could look inside, but the hatch is on top. But you'll see they got helium, oxygen, battery equipment, all this sort of stuff in this. So I guess this is what they use for submarine rescue operations. A little bit of artillery type stuff. Have a look at this. I'm not quite sure. This is a seen these on various movies, but I'm not quite sure what they call these. Hedgehog. They all have to be, you can go on all of these ships actually. Have a look. Don't think we have time for it, but we'll see. But as you can tell by my little blog here, I'm interested in just about any kind of transportation. Whether it be boats, ships, planes, trucks, doesn't matter. And here's the inlet or the water, whatever they call it, the channel that goes into Muskegon Harbor here, way back out there, and that's where the ferry comes out of as well. And then it goes over here and heads its way over to Lake Michigan, which is over there. So. Woohoo! That's a mean looking machine. I don't think I want to mess with that. That's too much for me. I have a hard enough time with a BB gun. I don't think I'll go down there. Showers. Okay. Washrooms. Oh, there's the engine room down here. Oh boy, way down there. Oh, look at them. Big water, fuel tanks or oil tanks. What do I know? Oh, I can go down here too. This looks like a place to. Oh man, alive. Wardroom. Yeoman's office. Kitchen. Galley. And back up the steps here. Oh boy. And exit. Whoa. So what do we got up here? Must have something up here. Oh, that's the bridge. We're going up the bridge here. See what's up on the bridge. Oh. Okay. Up the bridge we go. Whoa. What a view. There's the view out of the bridge. There you go, folks. There I am at the helm. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Boy, oh boy, all the goodies they had on these things. I guess that's for the big cheese set right here. All right, well, might as well go back down. think that's some, this is some kind of what do you call it, ship for research, NOAA. And I believe this is, they drag things through the water with these. And I think you can see down in here, they've got all these cranes and whatnot. Yeah, it's probably for research of some sort. Yeah, it's the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, as you can see up there. Yeah, and the lighthouse in the background there, by the channel. Oh, they got parasailing. I think that's what he's got there. Is that?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow, they have these big tanks.
Oh yeah. And here you are, right along the water. Now, White Rock people in BC eat your heart out.
Yeah.
Because you know, you think you got a nice beach here or there, but you look at this. Oh yeah, look at this here, right along the side of the.
So you don't have to get sand in your shoes.
Oh well, that is an excellent idea because I got a lot of sand on my feet there yesterday walking that hill. Boy, oh boy. Anyway, can you believe it? And way over there is Chicago. You can just make it out. No, I'm just kidding. Because I think it's about what, 30, 40 miles? Yeah. I think the narrowest point when I tried to figure it out was 20. You know, the narrowest point is 21 miles. Nautical miles, that's nautical miles. Oh, okay. Because I was trying to figure out if I should fly my airplane across it, but I looked at it once and I thought, geez, I can't see the other side. You know? Well, anyway, that is it. Okay, I'm walking down the boardwalk here. This is, again, in another park in Muskegon. And they got these darn boardwalks all through here. I mean, look at this. This is all over the beach area out here. Right here. And they go that way. Whoa. I'll just walk up this one and get a good view of the lake. That is kind of cool. There's Lake Michigan again. Boy, you've probably seen a lot of Lake Michigan on these vlogs now. Probably getting sick of them, but I'm not. I just think this is a fabulous place. You folks in Michigan sure are lucky. Okay, folks, that's the old Milwaukee Clipper out there, and I was fortunate enough to have a chap let me in out here because it's normally kind of restricted out here. So. Okay, that's the one they're restoring out there. And I'm just going to zoom in on it. There it is. Now, unfortunately, I was going to try and get on it, but it was, I think, last week or Labor Day it closed up, so I couldn't get on that. So, and obviously it's after Labor Day, but that's the old Milwaukee Clipper that they're restoring into sort of museum status. And this is where the ferry The high-speed ferry goes to Milwaukee here, and this is out of Muskegon. This is the docking area right here. And this is where it comes in. Okay, now, remember I was telling you about boats, the ones I like? Okay, this is like a Nordic tug again. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it's quite possible. But I got a feeling this is a steel hull. Yeah, so a Nordic tug I don't believe is. But it just needs a little work, I think. But here, I want you to just look at this. This really turns my crank. Really. Look at this. Eh? Now, wouldn't you like to own this? Okay, there's another shot of it. It needs a lot of work. Lots of work required on that one. But anyway, it still turns my crank. There. What do you think, folks? Should I put an offer in on it? It is nice. See, that door needs a little bit of work. You notice that door? See that door there? It's actually open. And lots of paint, lots of scraping. Anyway, back to the vehicle.